How to fix Google Play Store can't install app. If you want to fix the can't install app problem, this video is gonna help you a lot. So all what you have to do, guys, is very simple, so please keep watching until the end. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager, and now click on the apps, and after that you have to scroll until you find the Google Play Store right here. When you find it, then click on it like this, and now click here on this force stop option. Then click on the storage, click on clear cache and clear data. After that you have to go back. Now click on the power usage details, click on it and make sure to force stop all these options. Now last thing you want to do is just turn off your phone and turn it on again, and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the end.